Hello friends, my name is Ramsu. Today we shall discuss about topic the operating system. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in computer and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you. And also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, operating system or OS is basically a program that is first loaded into the computer before every other application or every other program. After loading through the boot program, it manages all the other applications. Okay, so basically operating system is the first program loaded into the computer. After loading, it manages all the other applications, programs and management of devices, etc. Operating system has like command line interface CLI and graphical interface as well, which is called as GUI. The example of operating systems are like Windows, Linux, Unix. So all these are the example of are the example of operating system. Like for example, here you can see a person is using the operating system. He can click on the desktop any icon, like he can check the memory available, he can check the storage available, he can run any program through the Windows or Linux, etc., whatever the operating system he is using. Now why we should need to use the operating system? Basically friend, operating system is managing all the things for you. For example, memory management, device management. So application, whatever the application is running on the computer, it doesn't need to worry about the memory management or device management or other things, because all these types of management is basically managed by the operating system. Functions of operating system. First one is the user interface. Operating system has a major function is the user interface. User interface means that it provides you the interface through users can run the applications, programs, manage the things, troubleshooting, etc. And also you can basically like for example, it can interact with the hardware as well. For example, if you want to print a document, so you don't need to directly talk or communicate with the printer. You need a basically driver which basically used through the operating system, and you can print a document. So user interface, there are two main user interfaces are there, CLI and GLI. CLI stand for the command line interface. Basically it is a terminal through which provides a text-based interface where user rely on the traditional keyboard to enter specific commands, parameters and arguments related to a specific task. The GUI or desktop provides a visual interface based on icons and symbols where user rely on gestures delivered by human interfaces device such as touchpads, touch screens and mouse devices. So like for example, you can click on the icons available on the desktop and you can click a program, you can run a game, etc. You can print a document. Other function is the application management. Application management means that you can operating system handles the launching and management of every application. This typically supports an array of behaviors including time sharing multiple processes or threads, so that various tasks can share the available processes time, handling interruptions that applications produce to gain a processor immediate attention. Then device management. Device management means that there are multiple devices are attached with the computer. For example, printer, keyboard, mouse, scanner. So there are so many devices are there in the computer. So management of these devices is basically managed by the operating system. For example, sound management, mic management, printing, scanning. So basically operating system is managing all the devices for you, and you just need to perform the action as per your need and requirement. so you don't need to worry that how these hardwares are interacting with you. Like for example USB, if you are inserting a USB into a computer, so the operating system like Windows, Linux, etc., they detect that USB is inserted and what is the data available, how to read that data, how to delete that data, how to rename that data, etc. So basically all the device management is basically managed by the operating system as well. There are nowadays many software operating systems are nowadays available. First one is the Windows is a very you can say a flagship operating system. It was introduced in 1985, and the GUI or Windows, basically the operating system, has released in many versions, and it's a very user friendly user friendly version, and due to its interface is very easy, user friendliness, due to that reason it's very popular. Then Mac operating system is the operating system for Apple Macintosh line of PCs and workstations. Then Unix is a multi-user operating system designed for flexibility and adaptability. Originally developed in 1970, Unix is the operating system for written in the C language. Then Linux is a Unix-like operating system that was designed to provide PC users a free or low-cost alternative. Linux has a reputation as an efficient and fast-performing system as well. So, friend, in this video, we have discussed the operating system. That operating system is basically simply a software which basically loads on the computer first, and it manages all the management of applications, devices, and like memory management, storage management, device management. So all these sorts of things are basically managed by the operating system. Secondly, friend, you must need the operating system in the computer, because if you don't need an operating system though, so then how you can run the application? Like if you want to run a Microsoft Office on a computer, so you must need the operating system, because the operating system manage the application on the computer. Like it's running on the computer, it's all managed by the operating system. Without operating system you cannot run any software or anything on the computer. Without operating system nothing can be run on the computer. So operating system is the first and the most important software running on the computer, which managing all the things and all the applications on the computer. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.